Hey, good morning. Welcome to TWC Projects. I thought it'd be a good idea to film while I was pouring, but I realized it makes so much noise, so I'm going to stop for a second. Thanks for joining this episode. We're going to continue cutting through the woods with this excavator here, which has been fantastic. 22,000 pounds and 72 horsepower. It's a beast. It does a good job. I'm really happy with it. So anyway, it does suck a lot of gas. I'm burning up about 10 gallons of diesel a day. It's supposed to be about 1 gallon per hour, and I haven't been running it very high. I mean, I'm running it kind of low. So anyway, but it doesn't matter at this point. It does such a good job. I would have spent far more than that on doing it the hard way. So this has been fantastic. And anyway, we're going to continue today. We've got the road cleared. That's in the last video. If you didn't see that, check that out first. Well, check it out first, but check it out after you check out this one. And so probably this will be like 2 or 3 more days of recording, but I'm going to be clearing out the area where I'm going to build, eventually build a house. Hopefully that's my plan, my retirement house cabin. And so we've got lots of projects up here, and I call this place Bear Ridge. If you're not familiar, it's my off-grid property. It's 21 acres of a wooded lot with a brook running through it and lots of hills and lots of animals. You'll see, if you haven't already, some of the videos, a lot of the wildlife out here, bobcats. I haven't caught a cougar yet. I've got a small bear, but I haven't been able to see any other bears. But I saw a big one out here when I first came here, right out here on the ridge. Thus the name Bear Ridge. So anyway, lots of things you'll see here over the next few years, probably, is if I keep with the videos and y'all are liking it. I'll keep doing more. So anyway, welcome to TWC Projects, and hope you enjoy the work going on here. All right, so we're making a little progress. had a bit of a delay this morning. The one of the hydraulic hoses were a little loose and fluid started coming out, and I didn't have the right tools and I didn't know that's what it was. So, I mean, I could see fluid coming out. I just didn't know I could simply tighten it down. It was just had come loose. But anyway, the company I rented this from, King Equipment Rental, they're fantastic. Really nice guys. All those guys over there, Tim and Reggie and Jared, just fantastic. So Jared was out here, he delivered the machine, and then he also came back out and fixed it. And anyway, I really like those guys. And if you're, in this part of anywhere in, I guess, central and central West Virginia area, Western Virginia, not West Virginia the state, but Virginia, these guys are fantastic. So really appreciate working with them at this point. And anyway, so this is coming along. I think I have a system now. I'm trying to figure out how to be clearing, putting the trees somewhere while I take them down. And I think I've got a rhythm going now. So this is what I started with from this whole area. And now everything from here over, I'm going to keep going this way on the top of the property line. You can see the ribbons on the trees. Not property line. I don't know why I said that. The top of the lot where I want to clear for the house. So I'm working this way over and down. Again, hard to see right now, but about 150 feet that way and probably about 200 feet that way. So got a lot more, but I'm making good progress. This is the way to do it. So I think it's going to go a lot faster now. This ended up probably taking almost an hour. Maybe it wasn't that long. I don't know how long I kind of lost track of time because I had to wait for a while for those guys to get out here. But I called them and they were here within a couple hours. I wasn't expecting them to be until late afternoon. So I'm still getting in a full day's work, which is excellent. And so anyway, just want to give you an update. Let's keep going. Day 6. It's Saturday, and it looks like it's going to be a nice day today. Yesterday was rainy and gloomy. I didn't record much yesterday. But I did just, and I'll show it here, I guess, in a second. But on the way in, I had 3 deer right here on the trail. So I pulled out my phone and I thought, well, maybe I'll be able to get a little picture or video or something. So I did get a little bit, and they're still, you know, they were just sitting right here. They didn't seem too concerned about the truck, but so I just put down the window and recorded a little bit. I'll show you a couple seconds of this of the deer that were here. Nice way to start the day. And anyway, feel a little bit bad about taking down some of these trees, but if you saw the drone video, or actually I guess it's in this, it's going to be on this one later, you'll see, or any of them. I mean, there's a lot of trees here, a lot of woods, so there's plenty of places for the deer and the bear and all the wildlife to continue to be here. I'm just taking down a little small section of it to build a house so I can live out here with them. And, you know, put in a septic system down here too. So I've got to clear a little bit more than I probably ordinarily would want to, but it's all good. And there's plenty more trees. I've got a whole several acres back there too that are going to be growing a lot more of these. So don't worry, I'm not taking away any of the Earth's oxygen. I'm helping. I'm sure I'll get some comments, but that's okay. Anyway, welcome to another day and continuation of this video of you know, making progress up here at Bear Ridge, off-grid property. And anyway, I hope you're enjoying it, and I'll try to continue to film a little bit more today. It's kind of probably a little boring, a lot of the same stuff, but you know, it's neat to see the progress. So I'm trying to give you little progress updates here and there and see how much more is cleared. I cleared out all that down there yesterday. So today, hopefully I can get almost all of it done here. What I realized, I probably got to come back a little bit further than I had originally measured out, just to make sure there's plenty of room for a septic system in here. And but you know, you adjust as you go, and you're always learning, right? So anyway, let's keep going. All right, so welcome to day 7, the final day of clearing out here at Bear Ridge. I'll tell you, I'm dragging today a bit. I don't have the same pep in my step I did on Monday, but it's good. It's been good. You know, probably you know, 4 of the 7 days were like 9 and 10 hour days. and then I got a 2-hour commute back and forth. So anyway, all good, all worth it for sure. Made tremendous progress, just about done. Today's the last little bit. I have some of the corner to clear out down there. I have a bunch of cleanup, and then up along the roadway I've got to do widen it in a few places just to make sure bigger trucks can get through once we finally get to the point where we can drill a well and put a septic out here. So I'm really glad to be the last day, and it's good to see it done. Honestly, I had no idea if 7 days would be enough, but I somehow it worked out just right. God covered me for sure, because I just didn't know how long it would take. And I don't even know, I didn't try to count trees. There were somewhere between 150, 200 trees that we've taken down, but thousands and thousands more left, so no worries there. So it's like 38 degrees right now. I think it's a little chilly, and it's going to get in the mid-40s today, but it's been overall just a beautiful week. One day of a little bit of rain, and it was no problem, just light sprinkling, and so super blessed that this whole week worked out so well, and I was able to get so much done. This place is looking great. There's a lot of potential still here, of course. Yeah, I'm sure some of you are saying that looks like just a big mess to me, but I see through it, and we'll get there, right? So it's pretty exciting. Hopefully you can see. I'll run the drone one more time. Unfortunately, Casey wasn't well and couldn't come with me yesterday or today, so I'll just go ahead and I'll put that up today later, and once I'm pretty well done near the end of the day, so you can see the final look of everything cleared out. So anyway, I appreciate you coming along. So let's get this day done, and I'll probably get not a lot of footage, probably mainly the drone footage, just because I got to make sure I get it done. And it's been I'm gonna miss this thing. This has been the bomb for this kind of work, and for all kinds of work. Honestly, I can see all kinds of projects up here, but they're just they're a lot. So. And that thing is burning like 10 gallons of diesel a day, so I'm spending, $42 a day on just fuel, but again, totally worth it. It's done a great job. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be a little sad to see this go. I wish I could keep it here, but I guess I could always rent it again at some point in the future, and I probably will. So let's get this day wrapped up. All right, so that's it. Say goodbye to Big Yellow here. It's been fantastic. What a great machine to have for doing this kind of work. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think you've seen enough trees being uprooted, and I'm done, at least for now. I've got the driveway cleared all the way down, and I have a little kind of an off turnaround parking area, and then I've got, of course, the big main area where the house and septic system needs to go. So I'll update you again pretty soon. Hopefully we'll be up here doing more cleanup, but done with the machine, the excavator for now. I'm going to leave you, stay tuned though. Right after I get done with my closing here, I'm going to do a full final flyover with the drone so you can see how everything turned out. And I thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. This is one of my bigger projects for sure on TWC projects. So stick with me. We're going to keep going on it for sure, but that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the like or sharing with a friend. And so keep creating things, fixing things, and getting outdoors and enjoying God's amazing creation. And until next time, have a fantastic day and a fantastic week, and I'll see you on the next project.